Hello guys, so if you're looking how to create a Lloyds bank account in 2023, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Now make sure to keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any important details. Now firstly what you have to do is just simply open a browser and search Lloyd Bank, then click on the first link. Now over here click on log on. Now if you have an account, you can just simply choose whichever account you want to log in, then choose personal or business and log into that. But for this video I'm going to show you how you can register. So you can click on register over here or scroll down and you can click on register over here. So click on it. Now over here you have to fill few details regarding your bank account. So firstly enter your title, then enter your full name and last name, then enter your date of birth. Then if you're living in UK, enter your postcode, and if you're not living in UK, check this box over here. Now choose which type of account you want, click on the drop box and choose credit card, loan, or choose whichever type of account you want. Then enter the short code given to you by the bank, then enter your account number, then just simply hit continue, and then it will go to your logon details, and then you can confirm all of your details and you're done. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.